Alright. Put it. Wait, Peter, please answer the following question. If you're in this room with us, call us again. Alright, put it.
Well, Peter, please answer the question. Alright.
This shit is real. I swear to God, this shit is real.
Oh, God.
Damien, call.
Dude, you should have been here. Dude, they called us.
I'm texting somebody right now.
Haha, pay attention. Shh, listen. No, don't text no more.
Pay attention. Shh. Are you recording this?
Oh. What is this?
Ha ha ha. Pay attention. Shh. Listen, your phone will ring. You put when.
We swear to God, no one is here. No one is here.
Shit, I'm so scared.
I'm scared.
Damien, don't leave. Ben.
I said shh.
What?
Tell them like a final, like minutes. I don't know. Tell them minutes. Fuck! Wait, let me use the bathroom. Can I?
Oh, here, I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
So you.
You scared me.
How many what? How many minutes would you call?
No, here, I'm just gonna put when are you gonna call? Please answer.
Stop. But take it off.
Right
now.
Ha ha ha.
Yo, hurry up!
Dude, he said I was gonna call right now. Look it. Put it. Look it. Is it right there? Look it. Right now. Ha ha ha.
That's too close.
And this is my phone right here.
Hey, you said shh. Oh shit! Fuck, dude! Fuck! Wait, I'll answer. I'll answer. Record this.
Dude, okay, alright.
Alright?
Go. Shh. No, is that?
Alright.
Answer, right there.
Hello?
Oh.
Put it in speaker.
Put it in speaker. Right there.
How? Hello? Can you say something to us? Why? Get out the phone? Why? You need to talk to me? Who am I? I think it's Damien.
It's not David, dude. I'm fucking scared, dude.
Nigga, I know you're Damien. Damien, stop shooting with me. Dude, I'm so. What happened? Oh, what was that, Damien? That was you, motherfucker. Hello? Hello? Where's your phone?
My phone.
Hello? Hey, that was you!
No, it wasn't.
That was you!
We can make hands.
That was you,
No.
and call.
No.
No, this is stupid. No.
No, it wasn't. Look at my history.
Dude,
Look at.
just porque sea en call.
Why? Nelly.
Pero porque sea en call.
Dude, when you opened the door, he was like,
Oh shit, it's calling again,
I was taking a
It's calling
shit.
again, it's calling again. Woman's call, wait.
Again. He called again. One missed call.
See?
That wasn't me.
And it was calling right now.
What the fuck? Did you record me?
Yes.
Did you record me taking a shit? I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
I'm sorry. Dude, I'm scared and I'm fucking. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god.
Tell her call
No,
again.
don't talk to that anymore. That scares the shit out of me.
Should I end the video or
Right
now?
now. It was you because me dijo, I'm gonna talk to you or something.
No, it was not
Who,
him.
me? He wants to talk to
It
me?
was not him.
Wait, but what was he saying? Because I didn't understand
It
him.
was not
He
him.
wants to talk
It
to
was
me?
somebody.
The thing wants to talk to me? Dude.
I know that when you act like that means that you're lying. You're lying.
I'm not. Swear to. Well, lying for what?
It was
This
not
isn't a
him.
joke, bro. This has
It
to play
was a
around.
ghost.
Dude, when was the last time you
It
used
was a
this?
ghost.
Me?
Did there anything?
This is the first time my friend
Nigga,
told me to go on it.
put your phone right here. Put your phone right here. Put your phone right here. You're recording the wrong way. Flip it over there. Yeah. Right? There you go. You can answer this. I don't know you yet. Here. Wait. Fuck.
Hey everybody.
Boys.
Put that again.
Sit down.